Hi there everyone, and welcome back to the Vintage Sewing Machine Garage YouTube channel. You are looking at the backside of a Morse sewing machine that I have recently come across, and I actually have already removed a little hatch, a little back panel that you can see right here. And the purpose of this panel originally was to allow people to access the inner workings of the machine, to generally be able to get inside, probably make adjustments. For my purpose, it actually is mostly just to get inside to help get access to parts that need to be lubricated. And you all have seen me do this in other videos before on machines that have these panels. The most common place I've seen these panels is on Japanese clone machines, but you'll see them on others, different brands of machines from the vintage era. And when you go looking inside, of course, you can see pieces of the machine moving as I turn the hand wheel here. And I've already gone in and oiled the points inside the machine. But there's another really useful purpose. There are times when it might be useful to find a color of touch-up paint. Occasionally, well, not occasionally, I'd say more often than not, I come across machines that have some paint damage. And a little bit is, there's not every paint, scratch, or chip needs to be touched up unless you want to. But on this machine, I have several areas where I'd like to do that. And yes, you can take the whole machine with you when you're trying to find a paint color. Trying to guess is very difficult, and I don't recommend that, because remembering what a color looks like when you consider how many colors there are is not easy. But this particular color is a metallic. It's a very fine metallic, almost a pearlized metallic, if that makes sense. And what am I going to do with this little piece of steel? Well, I have cleaned it, and I am now going to take it with me. So you all can come with me as I go on my little journey to find a color that will match this or something close, so that I can do touch-up on this fun, some shade of pink Morse sewing machine. So stay tuned, everyone, as I go on my quest to find hopefully a color that will work, that will look, I don't expect to get exact, but you never know. And stay tuned as I go on that journey, and I'll try to take all of you with me as I go searching, wanting to create more videos on finding things, finding materials and parts and things to restore sewing machines. I've had a number of questions over the years and finally thought, well, maybe I should do a video series. So stick with me in the next episode as we go searching for what some of you may call pink or raspberry or magenta or strawberry or God knows whatever name you might want to put on this color. Naming colors is a fascinating thing unto itself. But anyway, hopefully this will help. Finding a color to match this is not the same as when you're just trying to find, touch-up paint that is for a black sewing machine, which is a lot easier. But we will give it the college try and see what we come up with. So stay tuned for that.